Hello internet friends. In this video I'm going to refabricate the rudder stops out of this 6061 1-inch angle aluminum that I picked up from Granger. So in the previous video I made them, but somehow I messed them up. So I'm going to refabricate them because they weren't symmetrical and I'm not sure they're the right shape. Now, after reading through the plans, I'm not sure that it's critical to be 100% accurate to the measurements. Now, I mean, obviously you want to be 100% as much as possible. But this little piece isn't structural, and it actually is just for the rudder to bang into so it stops turning. So that's why it's called the rudder stop. And also I spent way too much time trying to figure out which drill bit I needed to drill this out. Turns out it's a 1/8 drill bit, and if I would have just looked at the plans, it says right in the plans that it's a 1/8 drill bit. So there you go. Sometimes reading comprehension is important. Actually, reading comprehension is always important. That's we have a pandemic of reading comprehension. Sorry, I used the P word. So anyway, we'll all do better. We'll try. All right, I don't really have any updates. Maybe a little rant. Like, people that are working this week, can't you just take the week off? Like, I thought I was going to have a nice week of no one asking me for things, but I was wrong. Of course, Monday morning, 9 a.m., 3-hour call, trying to get something to work. And then immediately after that, another project that will probably take me the rest of the week. And what I really want to do is sneak away and go try to ride my new, to me, 250. I need to shake it out because my buddies want to go ride the New Mexico BDR, and I need to shake out all the bugs and figure out if I want to ride the 250 or my BMW. And I'm thinking of 250 because it's lighter, but again, I need to get it all equipped and everything, and that's what I wanted to do this week, but no. I'm gonna do things that make me money because that's what I do. Solve problems, and then people give me money for that for some reason. So anyway, again, I'm just trying to solve the problem of why can't I cut accurately. I did get a helpful hint, so thank you, Captain Charlie Bravo. If I ever remake this, I will try that again. And his hint was to use a small piece of wood to make a straight cut. Now, I guess you could fasten it to the piece of wood, cleco it somehow, then cut it. I don't know. Anyway, if I remake these, I'll try that. But I'm just going to continue building since you don't actually need these until the very end of the tailcone when you put them on. So it'll be evident then if these aren't to snuff or not, because obviously the rudder will or will not fit perfectly into it. And then I've got another 7.5 feet of angle aluminum. I can make another 80 of these things. Alright, and then here's a small other rant. I don't know why it's so hard for me to figure out the dimensions on this thing or its spatial visualization, but looking at the plans here, I'm like, what orientation is this thing supposed to be, and where do I match up the piece that I messed up to the new angle aluminum to make the holes? And anyway, that was just really hard for me to figure out. So I made one piece and that messed up, and then made 2 more pieces and those seem to work-ish. So I will skip to the end and show you what I made. So after hitting these pieces with the Scotch-Brite wheel and measuring, and actually I was like 1/64 too long on both pieces, this is what I ended up with. So not 100% symmetrical, but it might work. I'll see when I put them on. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to come chat RVs, come join our Slack group. The link is in the description. And I will see you in the next video. And please try to take some time off this week and go ride dirt bikes.